Tarrant County leaders will soon decide on big changes for the county's criminal justice system. Commissioners may move dozens of criminal court staff members to the direct authority of county administrators. They currently report to judges. Fox 4's Dion England is here with details about the plan. Dion.
Hi there, Clarice. There was significant opposition to the proposed plan involving the county's criminal court system. It began today with a pretty turbulent reaction from one county commissioner.
Would you characterize this proposed action as a major restructuring?
I think it's a consideration for the court.
A volatile exchange between Commissioner Elisa Simmons and County Administrator Chandler Merritt punctuated discussion on a controversial proposal.
But this seems to continue to be a pattern with you and me. And I'm not going to continue to tolerate it.
Simmons says she was disregarded from all communication on a plan to reorganize the county's criminal court system, which would ultimately give the county judge authority over key support staff of criminal judges.
You're not going to forget to brief me. I'm not going to be the last person you brief. I'm not putting up that anymore, Chandler.
Any more outbursts like that, you'll be removed.
A lengthy list of speakers, including attorneys and judges, opposed the idea and pointed out what they consider an overall lack of transparency.
The defense bar is an equal stakeholder to the criminal district attorney's office, and yet nobody has asked our opinion or discussed this decision with us.
Thus, putting CCA under your administration is a bad idea. I do not agree to, I do not consent to.
Some members of this court had been planning a reorganization to bring the judicial branch of Tarrant County's government under their control. They concocted a plan to take control of our courts without even consulting the county judges.
County Judge Tim O'Hare has said the proposal would remedy what he calls financial mismanagement and save the county roughly $174,000, a reference to claims that some court staffers get paid for more hours than they actually work. The plan also called for eliminating the position of criminal courts administrator, replacing it with a director who would report to the county administrator and not to the judges. It's worth noting the changes would affect the process of setting criminal bonds, something O'Hare has been publicly critical of. In at least one recent case, he took to social media to criticize what he considered an extremely low bond amount for a suspect in a shooting that injured an off-duty sheriff's deputy. Several commenters say the proposed changes violate the state constitution's separation of powers clause. Others suggested an outright political agenda.
Elections have consequences, folks. And this is what happened when we elect leaders who seek power and control over the best interest of the residents.
Now, the commissioners came back from executive session and approved an alternate plan. They will create a working group that involves more stakeholders, including those from the court system and county administration. And they hope to move forward with reviewing a plan or that alternate plan by July 1st.